Hey there, check out the Outlery portable and reusable stainless steel travel cutlery, set with collapsible chopsticks, designed for convenience and durability. This compact set includes a fork, knife, spoon, and collapsible chopsticks, all fitting neatly into a pocket-sized case, measuring just 3.2 by 2.5 inches. Perfect for camping, backpacking, or day trips, these utensils assemble quickly to a full length of 8.3 inches, making outdoor meals easier than ever. Cleaning is a breeze since the cutlery is reusable and dishwasher safe, or just wipe them down on the go. Made from stainless steel, this set is built to last and reduce single-use waste, helping you lower your carbon footprint. Whether you're traveling or using them daily at home, these utensils combine practicality with eco-friendliness. Enjoy hassle-free meals wherever your adventures take you with this smart, portable cutlery set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.